In this video, we're going over how to unlock your iPhone 12 so you can use it with any carrier. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today we're going to walk you through how to unlock your iPhone 12. The first thing you'll want to do is go to the phone app. You're going to type in *#06#. That's going to show us our IMEI. You will need to write down this number right here. You're going to need it for later on in the process. Okay, next we are going to go to Safari and we're going to go to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and we're going to fill out just a few prompts. First is going to be manufacturer, which is going to be Apple. Next is the model, iPhone 12. Now you'll see there's iPhone 12, 12 mini, 12 Pro, or 12 Max. So make sure you choose the appropriate model. Tap unlock now. Now next, you will need to answer some information about where you purchased the phone. So the country, which is United States, and the carrier. In this case, it is Verizon. Click next. Now you'll enter the IMEI that we got in the first step of the video in this box here, your full name, the email address you want your reply email with the steps sent to, and also your contact number. Here you'll see the cost to unlock the phone. Now normally it's about $45 with the average company. Here it's only going to cost you $30, you get a discount. And the turnaround time for that email they're going to send you is going to be 1 to 5 days. So that's just an average. Normally they're a lot closer to the first number, but they do give you a ballpark. Now one important thing I want to point out is that at the top here you do have a toll-free number you can call if you ever have any issues. You have a text number you can send a text as well, and there's usually a live web support option as well. So in that case, if you ever have an issue trying to finish the unlock, or you're trying to check the status of your delivery email with your instructions, you can just reach out through there to speak to a live person or to connect with someone. Now the last thing you'll do is come down and tap order now, and once you hit order now, you'll then have to just wait for your email from the unlocking company, and that email is going to give you the final steps on how to finish the unlock process. So you're going to wait for that email. Now once that does come through, you're going to take the SIM tool that you'll find in the box of the phone, looks like this, and we will need to pop out the SIM card and put in the SIM card of the new carrier that you want to use the phone with. So just for example, if you're planning on moving it to T-Mobile, for example, you would need to have that T-Mobile SIM card ready so you can put that in the phone. Now on the left side of the phone here at the bottom, you'll find your SIM tray. Take your SIM tool, now don't be afraid to press hard. You're just going to take this tray out, take out your old SIM card, and put the new SIM card in here, and then just close it up. In some cases it may ask you to restart the phone, in some cases it won't, so it just depends on who your initial carrier was. And that's it. Now again, wait for the email they're going to send you that's going to have the final steps on how to unlock the phone. The process does vary from time to time, so it's important to wait for that email, and it will walk you through the last few things you need to do to finish unlocking your phone. If you run into any issues, go back to their website, speak to a live person, or text that number to get a response. The best part I love about this site is that if for whatever reason they can't get your phone unlocked, they will give you a full refund. And that's something that not all sites can guarantee you. So anyway, we hope you guys found this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.